welcome back to Green Pro. Just going through the latest features in Easy MCS projects, and this particular bit is about the automatic linking between Toolkit and Easy MCS. We have previously implemented automatic linking where when you create a project in Easy MCS, it also creates it in Toolkit. What we've now done is make sure that that works both ways. So in this particular example, my Easy MCS is linked to my Installer Toolkit account, and in Installer Toolkit I have already created a project, a PV and battery project, and I have completed a quick quote, a full quote, structural calculations, a wiring diagram, and a performance estimate. So all of that information has already been completed. As you can see, it's created a project in Easy MCS. But on Toolkit, when you create a project, you don't necessarily have to assign it a technology. So that becomes a problem in Easy MCS projects because obviously the documents are linked to technologies. So what we do now is the Toolkit project has been created. So now I need to create it in Easy MCS projects. And as you can see, I've got a state here saying setup required. So I just need to click into this. And it says this project was created in Toolkit but hasn't been configured in Easy MCS yet. Set it up to start populating documents. So as you can see, it's pulled through all of the customer details, the technology and the type. So I'm going to click on Setup Project over here. I'm going to select my template because I've already created that to say that no, this is a PV project. Let's put in some of my details. So I'm going to put in a survey date and a commissioning date. Put in my commissioning engineer. No other subcontractors. I'm just going to submit that. And because it's already got all of my customer details, it's just set that up ready for me. So now when I go to proposal, I should see that the information that I'd already put into Toolkit has pulled through automatically for me because it knows what I've done on that Toolkit project and it knows which Toolkit project it is. So they're sitting there ready and they've been marked as complete. I've got my consumer code leaflet in there from my template. I've got my manufacturer's data sheets in there from my template. My covering letter has been generated as complete as well. So the only thing left for me to do on this proposal is to generate my contract. So I can generate that. All of my questions have been pre-populated due to my template. So I'm just going to put in the final amount, no credit. I'm not going to put in a payment schedule just for ease. And then I'm just going to generate my contract. Now it's going to say, what would you like to do with the contract? Just save it or build a proposal pack. I'm going to build a proposal pack with the automated pack builder. And this is what we're calling the wizard. So if I go through and continue to that, send to the customer for signing, it's pulled through the customer's email address, obviously not a real one. And then we build and send. Now this is not going to work because those email addresses are not valid, but that's what it looks like. For now I can just save. And there you go, it's in there. So I will be able to complete all of those and send that through for signing using the new wizard. But as you can see, just a lot quicker. So, you've created your project in Toolkit. Easy MCS knows it's there. It knows what documentation you've completed. So once you've set up that project on Easy MCS, it's going to pull everything through, populate it, mark it as complete, and then you are ready to go. I'll do another full video on Wizard using some real email addresses so that you can see how that works, and just check out our YouTube channel for more. Thanks very much for watching.